Hey there, my name is Julian and welcome to MemberScript 119. So this is basically an age calculator based on a date input. So you might want to use that to pre-fill somebody's age into a custom field based on a birthday that they specify, or you might not even be using it with MemberStack. Whatever your reasons, it's totally up to you, but I'm going to show you first how it works so you can make sure that it will fit your use case. And then after that, I'm going to show you how to implement it in Webflow. So first things first, here's how it looks. As we can see, we have a date input right down here. And if I go ahead and select something, let's say a couple of years ago, let's go 2016 June. As we can see, 8 is pre-filled. The date has been calculated. And now let's say I go and change that to 2019 November. Now it is going to show me 4. So I have that actually displayed. You can, let's say, have it displayed and then set pointer events to none so that people can't touch it. You can have it hidden if you don't even want them to see it. You can do whatever it is that you want to do. So now let me go into Webflow and show you how to make it happen. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is to get the actual script for MemberScript 119. So if you're watching this on the MemberStack site, then you probably have already seen the code. There's a button that says Get Code. Copy that and you're good to go. If you're watching this on YouTube or somewhere else, then just go to the description in the YouTube video, and there will be a link where you can copy the code. So just paste that in on any page that you are going to be using this. You can also add it in an embed. It is up to you. Then you're going to need your inputs, and I'm using custom element inputs here, as we can see. You can use a standard Webflow input. It's totally up to you. I just typically prefer using the custom elements. And all you need to do is have a date input with the attribute ms-code-bday-input. And then you will need to have another input, and it could be a number, it could be text, whatever you want it to be. And it needs to have the attribute ms-code-age-input. So we have bday input and we have age input. Now you might be wondering why the attribute value of both of these is 1. That is because we're actually matching the two up via attribute values. Yours could be 1, it could be X, it could be a word, it could be a phrase, whatever you want to do. But this allows you to have multiple different instances on the same page and have them all be in sync with the correct inputs. So that is absolutely all you need to do. If you have any questions, just let me know in the MemberStack 2.0 Slack in the MemberScripts chat channel. I'll talk to you soon and have an awesome day.